Hi, my name is Larissa Green and I'm the Chief Product Officer for Spark Schools. And in this video, I'm going to show you real quickly how you can post certain files, announcements, and forms to your Guardians portals for them to access. So here I am in a Guardian portal, and over on the right column, my Guardian can see the announcements, forms, and files that they need to access for my school. So they can click into an announcement and then read more information here. They could also click into a form and then fill out that form for me and submit it. And they can do the same form as many times as needed. They can also download files that I've posted either for the general school or for their students' classrooms, and then they can view those files on their device. Now, I will say that this is what the Guardian portal looks like on a laptop or desktop computer. That's the optimal place to view the Spark platform at this time until we have an app created for smartphones. So at this time, you as the admin or staff member can post announcements, forms, and files to the Guardian portal. I will say that in another month or two, the Guardian portal is going to get an overhaul and look a little different, but these same features will have the same functionality. You'll still be able to post these here for them. I'm going to hop over to a staff portal and show you now how you as the staff member or admin can actually post these to the Guardian portal. Let's start with announcements. So if you go over to your admin side of your Spark School and then down to communications, you will land first in your announcements section. This is where you can create an announcement either from scratch or from a template that we have already created for you. I'm going to open up this one and choose to use this template. Once I'm in the template details section, I can go ahead and change the name of this announcement. I can add or change the information for people to read down here. I can even change the picture if I want. And then this checkbox right here called Post Announcement on School Public Page is what you will want to check if you want this announcement posted to your Guardians portals. Once this is checked, all of your Guardians in your school will be able to see this announcement. In the future, we will add a way to give different Guardians access to announcements so not everybody sees the same announcements, but for now, it's a general announcement that goes to everybody. So then I'd click Update, and now this announcement will also appear on the Guardians portals. You can also go into an announcement that you've already created and check that to add it to a Guardian portal. So that's announcements. Now let me show you how to post forms to your Guardian portals. So if you go down to Forms, you can create a new form either from a template that we've already made for you or from scratch. I'm not going to show you in this video how to actually create a form. I'm going to click into my forms that I already have and show you how to post these to the Guardian portal. So when you're in a form, you'll enter the builder where you can actually create all of the different elements or fields in that form for the submitter to fill out. You can also go over to the Details tab, and again there's a checkbox called Add to Public Posted Forms. This is what you will want to check if you want this form to appear on the Guardian portal. If this is checked, this form will appear on all the Guardian portals in your school. Again, we'll add other levels so that only certain Guardians can see certain forms in the future, but for now it will be posted for everybody. Now, if you only want certain Guardians to access certain forms, you can go to the View Form button and then use this URL link and send it to just certain Guardians to fill out this form. Whoever has this URL link will be able to fill this form out. Okay, now I'm going to go back into my Spark School and show you how to post files to the Guardian portals. So in your admin side, under School, we have a section called Files and Folders. If you go into this, you will see a folder for all of the classrooms, guardians, staff members, and students within your school. These folders are automatically created when you add one of these elements to your school. Now, when I put a file within a folder, I can upload as many files as needed from my device into these folders, and now they're in the cloud, they're on the internet, and anybody with access to this section of your Spark site can access these files. Once I've uploaded a file, I can then click on the three-dot menu next to that file, or that folder rather. Once I've uploaded a folder, I can click on the three-dot menu next to that folder and go down to Post File, and I can select if I want to post this file to the Guardians portals. Now within a classroom, this is a classroom folder, I can select to post this file just to the Guardian portals for students in this classroom, or to all the Guardians in my school. I can make that selection. Now in the school folder, I only have the option at this time to post this file to all Guardian portals in my school. That's the same for a file in a students folder. You only have the option to post that to all the Guardian portals. We will be adding, like I have said before with announcements and forms, a way to just post these to certain Guardians in the future. But for now, classrooms, you can just choose to post these files in just the Guardians portals for that classroom. So once you've done that, this file will now appear on the Guardian portal. They can download it and open it. These folders can also be accessed within the specific classroom over on the teacher side. So if you go to Teacher and then down to Classrooms, you can open up the classroom and go over to the Files tab. And then you can also put files here within that Classrooms folder. This is the same place. It all goes back to that general Files and Folders section over in Admin, but your teachers can post files here. It's a little simpler to do it this way for your teachers. I will now tell you, you might have noticed within both the form and the announcements, something called the school public page. If I open this up, it takes me to the public page for my school, and anybody with this link can access this page and open up any of the announcements or forms posted here. These announcements and forms again are also posted on the Guardian portal. So you can access your school's public page either within the announcement or the form by clicking on this link, or you can go over to School, Settings, and here there's a link called Public Resources Site. This will open up that same public page for your school. And your school address, phone number, and email will appear on your public page. So you'll want to make sure those are accurate. Again, anybody with this link can access this page. So if you have somebody who needs to access a form or an announcement who isn't actually a guardian in your school, you can just send them this link and they'll access it here. That was a quick overview of how you can post things for your guardians in their portals. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@sparkyourschools.co. Thanks.